Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can contact the Battle.net support team. So firstly, go to your web browser and open blizzards.com, then go to ID over here and click on support. Now over here, either you can search the problem that you are facing, or you can choose one of the options over here, or you can choose one of the games in which you are having the problem. So let's choose Overwatch 2. Just simply click that. Then as you can see over here, I have multiple options to choose. You can choose any one of them. You'll also find multiple posts which can help you to fix your problem listed over here. And if not, just simply click account, then click contact support. Then over here, if your issue is listed, simply choose that issue and work with it. If it is not listed, just simply click not listed here, just simply click that. Then over here, just simply click contact us. Now just simply give a small description about what the problem you are facing. Then after writing the issue, if you have a file that you want to attach with it, you can also attach it from right over here. Then just simply press submit. And then within a few hours, the support team will contact you through your email. They will help you or guide you fix your issue. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel.